Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I have the fishing rod with the crappy crankbait, no hooks, and we're going to a park with a massive, huge fish at it. We already know we're gonna catch some giants. I got the boys with me. We got Logan and Sam, and also Cole behind the camera. Cole, you wanna show yourself? Alright, let's go catch us some giants. Alright guys, we're back, and oh my god, look at that.
That's huge.
Alright, let's see. Maybe he'll yank on it. Come on. This is a huge fish. We cannot miss this. No! Dude, I can't miss this fish. If I miss this fish... Oh,
dude, you hear he's angry,
burping, bro. Burping hard. Well, like, we gotta catch this huge fish. It would be.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's a monster.
You gotta cast it right through the gills, too.
Yeah, or over the face. It's a monster.
Yeah. He's hungry, dude.
He is hungry.
Dude.
Oh, right in his mouth.
Oh,
set the hook, set the hook, set the hook.
Come on. Alright. I'm gonna set the hook. 3, 2. Oh,
you missed him.
I pulled it right out of his mouth. Dang it, dude. Okay, so I'm gonna try maybe like a couple last times because luckily this fish hasn't moved somehow. But I'm gonna see if I can get it. Oh shoot. Let's see if I can maybe angle it right in front of its mouth. Oh shoot, it's biting! It's biting! Oh my god. We gotta let him eat it. Okay, we gotta let him eat it. Alright, ready? I'm gonna set the hook. Got it? 3, 2. Oh my god! Oh! It's a monster! Oh my god! Oh! No! Dude. There's no way I'm gonna be able to get this fish. Alright guys, let's move on. Okay, so someone might be coming. Cole's in position. So yeah, we'll just someone's no more toilet paper. Oh, he smiled. That guy smiled. Alright, someone is all the way down there. So we're gonna hope that they are prepared to hear this big old rip. Oh shoot, he just hit the police siren. Alright, we got a ton of people. We got some people right there. We got someone coming from down there. I just hope I'm inconspicuous enough. There's a kid laying down on a big old gazebo. They're looking. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh, he opened it. What? That's so weird. That's so. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh dude, he's gonna get in freaking trouble. Cole, get out. Dude, that guy's waiting for him. Bro, they're still waiting. Oh shoot, he's coming out. He's coming out. Oh shoot. Dude, he needs to get. They're waiting for him too. They're waiting. Oh shoot, they're pointing to it. Dude, Colin, he needs to get out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Oh shit. Oh, he's waiting. Oh my god. Oh. Did he open that door? Cole. Did he? Cole. How bad was that?
So bad.
Dude, wait, didn't he open the door? What?
Why did you lock the door?
That's wild.
Literally like, Cole, get out casually.
Dude, were you like, what were you doing? Like screaming?
No, I was making fun. I was looking at it. Obviously, I didn't. Okay?
Dude, that's wild.
Sit me down.
Alright, bro, I need to finish up this crap when I get home.
Oh my god.
I'm recording.
Go.
Yeah.
Just a tiny wheelie.